Hi guys, we're staying one night at the Moxy Osaka Shin Umeda, and this is one of the new hotels of Marriott here in Osaka. This one is right next to Fukushima Station, JR line, Loop, Osaka Loop. And this one I booked for one night so far. And they have a nice little bar on the lower floor. And we will see the rest of the property right now. So you can basically come in and then check it out how it goes. Here's the bar and some nice tables. And we'll check out the remaining part of the property. There are some video games, very fun and interesting. On the second floor there is a gym and laundry facility. We're going to check that out right now. And my room is on the 14th floor, and I had to book it very short notice, unfortunately. Here's a laundry facility. Open up. Oh wow. Laundry machines. Whoops. Thank you. And the gym is on this side. Let's see what we got here. There was some couple checking out the laundry. Techno gym facilities. The view downstairs to the bar area. So yeah, small, nice little gym. This is for the staff. And today I just took a little walk outside. It is quite cool in the evening still. Fourteenth floor. One guest had to exit here, floor number 6. And now we're heading up to 14. And what I mentioned earlier is I booked the room on the same day due to some changes in my travel plans, and the only room that was still available was a twin bed. So right now, instead of one large king, I have 2 twins in my room. And unfortunately, even though the window could practically be opened, they took away the window handle, and now nobody can open the window anymore. And it's not exactly my preferred room temperature, but you will see what I'm talking about. Open over. Here we go. So we got the room right here. There is fabric and air freshener, a bottle. I don't know if I would spray this onto my clothing, probably not. There is a do not disturb sign that I'm going to install later on. The bathroom itself is rather interesting and compact. The toilet is pretty much in the foyer. You want to call it the foyer. There are ample towels, the hairdryer. There's also a pump bottle with hand wash, some amenities, the water kettle, yeah, a little stool to I don't know, sit on. I don't know why it is here, and like all the stuff in general. Then here are also the pump bottles. Grapefruit and mint, bergamot conditioner, and bergamot shampoo. So interesting combination. There is a rainforest shower and one flexible shower head, and this is a shower cell. So yeah, I guess it works if you don't mind that. The chair and the table were actually hanging here on the wall, and I used one of the chairs there to rack up my luggage from here. And then there is something running. I put on the TV, and also here let's tune down the volume. Here we go. So yeah, king size twin bed on the left and on the right. Definitely spacious enough for one person. I mean, there's it's not necessary to have a large king bed every night, but nevertheless, what I don't like is that the air condition maximum or minimum, so to speak, is 20 degrees Celsius. I can't set it any lower. The vent is up here, and maybe I will use this bed here to sleep, because next to the window it is actually a little bit cooler, and there is a little bit of wind or draft coming through, so maybe that's cooling it down a little bit. Anybody who would like to store some valuables, there is a safe deposit box. Here we also got the telephone, which looks rather interesting, and a very elaborate remote control for the TV. So this is the Moxy in Osaka Umeda, and this is one of the 2 Moxys here in the city. There's also in a loft and a bunch of other Marriott properties. But yeah, if this is your style, then you're welcome to stay here, and let me know in the comments what you think about the room and the hotel so far. For me, I was positively surprised. I like these select service properties, and definitely like the vibe with the bar downstairs. They had kind of a nice restaurant and select menu as well. So come by if you're staying here in Osaka nearby, just to check it out. And the price was right, everything else was okay as well. And if you want to see more, please subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna upload a couple more videos of hotels in Japan and in the region. Until then, thanks for watching today, and see you in the next one. Cheers!